For the past 9 years, Antique has seen significant progress through people-centric and transformative governance. Since 2015, various programs aimed at improving the lives of 612,974 Antiqueños have been successfully implemented, driving growth and development across the province. Under the leadership of Governor Rhodora Cadiao, the provincial government of Antique focused on addressing the needs of the community, bringing meaningful change and opportunities. For example, poverty incidence in the province lowered from 27% in 2015 to 17.8% in 2023. This was made possible through the current administration's multiple interventions and developments in agricultural, infrastructural, health, and socioeconomic sectors in the province. Antique has been consistently rice-sufficient, ensuring every household can serve rice at every meal. Support for local farmers, fisherfolks, and animal raisers have been never-ending, with yearly seed, fertilizer, and financial subsidies, farm machinery and equipment, livelihood programs and trainings, as well as support to ASEF-affected hog raisers. The Cadiao administration is currently foreseeing what is the province's greatest infrastructural monument in the last 60 years. The 1 billion peso Antique Government Center will soon centralize multiple government services into a single, accessible, and convenient location for the public. Thousands of infrastructural projects have been initiated in all 18 municipalities with 3,158,518,964 pesos invested over the course of 9 years, such as farm-to-market roads, multi-purpose centers, evacuation centers, slope protection, seawall construction, and drainage systems, improvement, repair, and maintenance of existing infrastructure, construction of bridges and box culverts, water supply projects, senior citizen facilities, upgrading of public markets, stalls, plaza, and gyms, acquisition of lots and relocation sites, construction of barangay halls, stages, and tanod posts, construction and completion of health centers, and solar streetlights. These infrastructure projects enhance the lives of Antiqueños. These projects have not only improved accessibility, but also fostered economic and social development. Soon, 15,000 Antiqueño households will finally receive electrification with the proposed solar system project. The provincial government of Antique has also prioritized accessible and affordable healthcare, making significant strides in improving the well-being of its people. Governor Cadiao is the first governor to provide free dialysis sessions and dialyzers to patients at provincial government-owned dialysis centers. Hospitals underwent renovation and upgrades, increased bed capacities, and received medical equipment to cater to the Antiqueño needs. In support of health workers, the provincial government increased annual incentives for barangay health workers, nutrition scholars, barangay service point officers, and child development workers from 500 to 3,000 pesos to 10,000 to 12,000 pesos. Their motivated efforts then led to a subsequent decrease in malnutrition rates and better implementation of provincial government initiatives. The provincial government of Antique has consistently championed social development and financial assistance programs aimed at uplifting its underprivileged constituents like the Aid to Individuals in Crisis Situations or AICS program, the Kabalaka ni Gobernadora kay Lolo kag Lola program, Educational Assistance Program for college students, certificate in teaching, and graduate school students, and livelihood assistance programs. Governor Cadiao has also placed special value on the long-overlooked sacadas of Antique. Her pioneer programs led to the improvement in sacada working and living conditions, fair wage, and alternative livelihood opportunities. For environmental efforts, a total of 10 new micro-watershed sites across 6 barangays in Hamtik and Aninii have been validated, adding to the 26 existing micro-watershed sites that are continuously evaluated and monitored across the province. The province's sand and gravel as well as quarry extraction has been lucrative, adding to our provincial coffers. These revenues play a crucial role in the province's development. 40% of the total tax revenue is given to the barangays with Kruhay operations, giving them the financial capability to implement various projects. These are projects funded largely by our 20% national tax allocation, which has been steadily growing for the past decade. These programs and projects are made possible through the close coordination between the governor and their constituents through the weekly People's Day and Barangay Affairs Day at our office in San Jose and Colasi. The provincial government's commitment to good governance has been recognized nationally, with Antique receiving 2 Seal of Good Local Governance in 2018 and again in 2022, along with various awards from the DILG. Inspired by the current administration's exemplary leadership in governance, provincial government offices followed suit, achieving numerous accolades and excellence awards. The provincial government of Antique has now updated its Provincial Development and Physical Framework Plan of 2021 to 2032 to align with the vision, Antique Province, Star of Western Visayas. This vision emphasizes a globally competitive, healthy community in a balanced environment with a vibrant economy. The provincial government of Antique aims to address gaps, drive continuous improvement, and leverage the province's potential for transformative governance.